Hi, I'm Mark, and in this video we're going to talk about how to get started with Plato's balls, which is the ball marking kit we've got here at White Golf. First we'll go through the items that are in the kit. You get a set of instructions, 2 sets of jigs, 8 markers, which include silver and black, plus the 3 primary colors and the 3 secondary colors, and you get this nifty carrying case. Now you can assemble this yourself at home. You can go buy some Sharpies, which are probably a little bit higher quality, but they cost more. You can print out these jigs. The files are available online. There's another video that describes how to make your own jigs. The instructions are available online too. And you can use any container, a plastic bag or whatever. So if you want to do that, that's fine. If we can give you some advice or help, that's fine too. This is just for fun, so no big deal. Let's start out by looking at these jigs and how we can prepare them to use them for marking our balls. First of all, this jig contains 32 holes for marking, which correspond to the Icosy dodecahedron. Both the icosahedron and the dodecahedron are on this jig. Now, it can be a little bit confusing to try and figure out which holes you want to use for which pattern. So what I recommend is that when you first get the jigs, go ahead and mark the 20 holes for the dodecahedron. Just take any ink color, and then you can easily identify these are the 2 that are not in the slotted track, the 2 that are vertically lined up here. Let's just go ahead and mark every one of them on both halves of the jig. Each half of both jigs is identical, so it doesn't really matter. There. Now I've got the 20 dodecahedral openings, or icosahedral, whichever way you want to look at it, marked out on here. So when I go and put ink on the ball, I can quickly see which holes I want to use for that. Now something similar should be done on this other jig, which will capture the other 3 perfect solids. It has the 8 points of the cube and the 6 points of the octahedron, which combined are the 14 points of the cube octahedron, another Archimedean solid. And also with this, it's easy to get the tetrahedron by doing half a cube. So what we're going to do is mark the 8 points of the cube. We're going to use 2 different colors to do it. So I'll just take the red pen and mark 2 points on the top of the 4 that go around here, and then at right angles to that I'll make two red openings on the bottom for a total of 4 red openings, which is a tetrahedron. Now I'll take another color and I'll mark the 2 on the top and the bottom that finish the cube. And now that makes another tetrahedron. So we have dual tetrahedrons on this, which are 8 points of the cube. And then we also have the ones that are unmarked, which are the 6 points of the octahedron. So when you go to mark your ball, you can quickly see which of these openings you want to use depending on which pattern you're going to use. Now some of the other videos, I encourage you to look at the one about the perfect solids. It'll give you a better understanding of how all these are related, and also the one about how to make your own jigs. Hopefully we can give you enough information to get you going on that. And then also we're going to show you some specific ways to mark your balls in an additional video.